Hey there, WordPress warriors. Want to keep hackers out of your website? Today, I'll show you best powerful ways to protect your WordPress site from cyber threats. Stay till the end for a bonus tip that can save your site from total disaster. Let's get started. Number 1. Use a secure hosting provider. Cheap hosting is like leaving your house unlocked. Get a secure host like Kinsta, SiteGround, or WP Engine. They've got firewalls, backups, and malware protection built in. Number 2. Keep WordPress, themes, and plugins updated regularly. Update WordPress core, themes, and plugins. Remove unused or outdated themes and plugins. Admin and 123456. Really? Change your username, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. Ever heard of brute force attacks? Hackers guess passwords until they get in. Use a plugin like Limit Login Attempts to block repeat offenders. Number 5. Install a security plugin. WordFence, Securi, or iTheme Security. Pick one. These plugins add firewalls, malware scanning, and brute force protection. Think of it as antivirus for your website. Disable XML-RPC. This sneaky little feature allows hackers to brute force their way in. Disable it using a plugin or add this line to your HT access file. WordPress databases usually start with WP_, and hackers know that. Change it to something unique, like WPXYZ_, using iTheme Security or WPDB Manager. Imagine losing your site forever. Nightmare. Use Updraft Plus or VaultPress to back up your site every day. You'll thank me later. Every hacker knows WP Admin is the default login page. Change it to something unique with a plugin like WPS Hide Login. Every time a visitor enters their password, credit card details, or personal data, hackers can intercept it if your site is not secured with HTTPS. Many hosting providers, such as SiteGround, Bluehost, and Kinsta, provide a one-click installation for Let's Encrypt SSL, making it easy to secure your site in minutes. And that's it. Best proven ways to keep your WordPress site hacker-proof. Which one are you setting up first? Tell me in the comments. Oh, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Stay cyber safe.